I welcome you all. In this video going to see about matrix operations. Let's see what is matrix. An array of arrays is known as two-dimensional array. The two-dimensional array in C programming language is also known as matrix. A matrix can be represented as a table of rows and columns. These are the operations available in matrix. Matrix addition is the process of adding two matrices by adding the corresponding entries together. Let's see one example program. This example program is for addition of two matrices. In this program, first it creates two matrices, then add the values of two matrices and store it in another matrix, and finally display the matrix. When this program is executed, it will ask the values for matrix A. After you give the matrix value, it will ask the values for matrix B. After given the values for matrix B, then the two matrices are added by using the line C of ij equal to A of ij plus B of ij. When this line is executed, it will add two matrices, and then finally it will display the matrix C. Two matrices must have an equal number of rows and columns to be added. In that case, the sum of two matrices A and B will be a matrix which has the same number of rows and columns as A and B. This is the output of the above program. Next, subtraction of two matrices. In matrix subtraction, subtract one matrix from another as long as they have the same dimensions. The difference of matrix A and B, denoted by A minus B, is computed by subtracting the elements of matrix B from corresponding elements of matrix A and has the same dimensions as A and B. So, the matrix C has the same dimensions as A and B. Let's see one example program. In this program, it subtracts the matrices of 2 by 3 order. It finds the difference between the corresponding elements of two matrices and then print the resultant matrix. This program is also same as addition of two matrices. The only difference here is we have to change the sign in the process line. This is the output of the subtraction of two matrices with the order 2 by 3. The next matrix is transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix is a new matrix that is obtained by exchanging the rows and columns. So, in this example, first write the code for the number of rows and columns. Then it assigns the elements to the matrix. After assigning the elements to the matrix, it prints the matrix value A. Then it will compute the transpose on matrix A. Then finally it will print the transpose matrix. This is the output of the matrix transpose. Next, determinant of a matrix. As we already seen that a matrix is an array of many numbers. For a square matrix, that is a matrix with the same number of rows and columns, one can capture important information about the matrix in just a single number. That is called determinant. This is the example program of determinant of a matrix. When this program is executed, it will ask you to enter 9 elements of matrix. After you enter the elements, apply the determinant method on the newly created matrix. Finally, we will get the determinant of that 3 by 3 matrix value, that is minus 5. Now, gate questions. If S is an array of 80 characters, then the value assigned to S through the statement scanf %s, S with the input 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, what will be the answer for this question? The correct answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 within double quotes, because this statement is written by using the format specifier percentage %s, that is the string format specifier. So the answer will be string. Thank you.